viewers. My name is Dr.Zomboss. Today, we are going to be reacting to is Money Heist versus the Wolf of Wall Street. Rap battle. Now, before we get right into this video, I want to say is give this video a like and comment and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. If you guys do enjoy many more of this, then like I said, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Anyways, Dr. Zomboss speaking. Hope you all do enjoy the video. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to the original person, the original creator, and support the original video so that way that you won't miss a single video that comes onto the channel. Anyways, my name is Dr. Zomboss, and also without that being said, enjoy the video. And also, yeah, by the way, please be sure again, don't forget to subscribe to the original person. Thanks. There we go. Here we go. Oh! Really? Oh! Man, who's even gonna win the battle? Gotta say so far, like, who's really gonna win the battle? Wow, no way! Man, I'm just rocking on this rap right now. I'm just really enjoying this right here. I don't know. I have no idea who's absolutely going to win this battle. Ooh! Nice! Wow, that's absolutely no way crazy battle this goes. Ooh! Yeah, who's absolutely gonna win the battle? Man, no way, everybody. I mean, just no way. I mean, let's go on that rap battle. Man, no way. That was crazy. Man, let's go. Man, hope you guys did enjoy that video. Be sure to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. And don't forget to subscribe to the one of those people who absolutely did enjoy the rap battle. By the way, pretty much. So yeah, be sure to actually, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to one of those voice actors. So yeah, be sure again, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the voice actors. So anyways, with that being said, everybody, hope you all do enjoy this video. Like I said, give this video a like and comment and subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. And if you guys want to see more videos coming right onto the channel, then like I said, like and comment and subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. And also, who do you guys think who won the rap battle? Was it, hold on. Was it the Money Heist or the Wolf of the Wall Street? Yeah, so again, who do you think who won the battle? So anyways, if you guys did enjoy that, then I hope you all did enjoy it once more and yet again. Anyway, my name is Dr. Zomboss, and without that being said, see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.